Which of the following is a defining feature of living organisms? A. Growth. B. Metabolism. C. Reproduction. D. All of the above. B. Metabolism. Which of the following process is common to all living organisms? A. Growth and reproduction. B. Response to stimuli. C. Cellular organization. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. In which of the following conditions does a living organism exhibit true growth? A. Increase in body mass due to accumulation of material on the surface. B. Increase in mass from within involving metabolic activity. C. Increase in mass due to external factors like water absorption. D. None of the above. B. Increase in mass from within involving metabolic activity. Which of the following is not a characteristic of living organisms? A. Adaptation to the environment. B. Consciousness. C. Photosynthesis. D. Reproduction. C. Photosynthesis. Cellular organization in living beings refers to which of the following? A. Multicellularity. B. The organization of cells into tissues and organs. C. The presence of cell organelles. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Which of the following statement about reproduction is correct? A. Reproduction is a necessary and defining feature of all living beings. B. Sterile organisms like mules are not considered living because they cannot reproduce. C. Some organisms can reproduce without two parents through asexual reproduction. D. Reproduction is not a biological process. C. Some organisms can reproduce without two parents through asexual reproduction is correct. Which two of the below given points are known as the twin characteristic of growth? 1. Increase in mass. 2. Increase in number of individuals. 3. Cellular organization. 4. Cellular differentiation. Increase in mass and increase in number of individuals. So the correct answer is A, 1 and 2. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. A. Planaria. 4. True regeneration. B. Fungi. 2. Asexual spore. And 5th, fragmentation. C. Yeast. 3. Body. D. Amoeba. 1. Binary fission. So the correct answer is B. Which of the following groups consist of organisms which multiply by fragmentation? A. Arthworm, amoeba, fungi. B. Arthworm, fungi, bacteria. C. Fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of mosses. D. Amoeba, hydra, bacteria. C. Fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of mosses. A living organism is unexceptionally differentiated from a non-living structure on the basis of A. Reproduction, B. Growth and movement, C. Interaction with environment, D. Responsiveness. D. Responsiveness. Read the following statements and select the correct option. Statement 1. Reproduction cannot be considered as defining property of living organisms. Statement 2. There are many living organisms which do not reproduce. Example, mews, worker bees, etc. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Which of the following sets does not contain defining characteristic of living organisms? A. Growth and reproduction. B. Metabolism and cellular level of organization. C. Response to stimuli and consciousness. D. All of these. A. Growth and reproduction. Let's discuss some PYQs. Which one of the following aspects is an exclusive characteristic of living things? A. Isolated metabolic reactions occur in vitro. B. Increase in mass from inside only. C. Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. D. Increase in mass by accumulation of material both on surface as well as internally. C. Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. The living organisms can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for A. Interaction with the environment and progressive evolution. B. Reproduction. C. Growth and movement. D. Responsiveness to touch. D. Responsive to touch. Biological organization starts with A. Cellular level. B. Organism level. C. Atomic level. D. Submicroscopic molecular level. D. Submicroscopic molecular level. Question for you. Who is known as the Darwin of the 20th century?